Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my student.
Morning.
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm fine and you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. Yeah, I hope you are so very well today. Okay, my student. Before we start our activity for this morning, it will be better. Let's pray together. Yeah. Okay, Aldi Tobing as the leader. Please lead your friend to pray.
Before we start or listen today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you, Aldi Tobing. Okay, my student, I believe that you have already to study in this morning. Here, I would like to remind you, don't forget to fill your present by Google Form that I was to send in WA group. Okay, my student, is there any somebody still remember what is the topic for the last week? Ada ingat?
Yes, sir. Last week's material was a descriptive text of the present.
Yeah, today we have going to learn about kinds of text. Same for the last week, but sedikit berbeda dari minggu lalu. Ya, kita lihat gambar, kemudian video. Silakan kalian respon dan seperti apa ya. Okay, Nadia, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know first picture here?
Yes, sir. She is Agnes Monica.
Okay, what is her profession?
She is singer, sir.
Okay, what does she look like?
She is beautiful, energetic, and slim, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you, Nadia. And then, second picture. Do you know this picture?
Yes, sir. Mr. Joko Widodo, sir.
Okay, what his profession?
He is our president, sir.
Okay, what does he look like?
I think he is slim, tall, and handsome, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you, Devi Setia. And then the last picture. Okay, Antri Palupi, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Do you know this picture?
He is Atta Halilintar, sir.
Okay, what is profession?
He is YouTuber Indonesia, sir.
Okay, good. And what does he look like?
I think he is handsome and tall, sir.
Okay, good. And then the next I will show you the video, and please analyze this video, and then you can conclude based on this video. Everybody, let's see this video.
What is she like?
She is cheerful and fun to be with.
What does she look like?
She is brunette, she has a ponytail and blue eyes. She is very pretty.
How old is she?
She is 6 years old.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a t-shirt, a red skirt and red shoes.
Okay, everybody.
From characteristic people.
Okay, good, Anis. Kemudian Aldi Tobing.
Adding to the descriptive picture.
Yeah, based on this picture and videos, all of this describe about person. Good. Based on this picture and this video, is there any somebody want to guess what is the text that exactly that we will learn for this morning?
Describe person, sir.
Alright, yeah. Today we will learn about the descriptive text, especially describe about the person. Okay, but before that, before we continue our activity for this morning, I would like to give the explanation about our learning purpose ya. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini, yang pertama, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial teks, kemudian menganalisis struktur dan unsur kebahasaan teks, dan yang ketiga adalah menyusun teks deskriptif pendek dan sederhana terkait tentang orang. Okay, everybody, this time I would like to explain about the descriptive text, and listen carefully. Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, animal, place, or thing. Nah, jadi descriptive text adalah teks yang hanya fokus mendeskripsikan secara detail, baik itu tentang orang, hewan, ataupun benda yang akan kita deskripsikan. And then you write description when you want your reader to picture what you are describing. Nah, maksudnya mengapa sih kita menuliskan deskripsi? Ini agar kita memberikan penggambaran terhadap sesuatu objek yang akan kita deskripsikan kepada pembaca, pendengar, ataupun yang lain. Oke, sampai di sini paham tentang tentang definisinya?
Paham, Sir.
Okay, good. And then the purpose of descriptive text to describe person, thing, or place in specific. Nah, jadi tujuan dari descriptive text adalah untuk mendeskripsikan orang, tempat, atau sesuatu secara detail. Nah, hari ini kita hanya mendeskripsikan tentang orang. Membahas tentang orang artinya to describe about person. Okay, and then there are two generic structure in descriptive text. First, identification. Second, about the description. Identification, this part introduce where or who the subject being described is. Jadi di bagian identification di sini menjelaskan tentang bagian yang memperkenalkan di mana atau siapa subjek yang akan kita deskripsikan. And then the second, description. Bagian ini ya, this part show the detail description of the subject. Nah, jadi di description ini adalah bagian yang menunjukkan informasi secara detail. Nah, tentang objek yang akan kita deskripsikan. Contoh yang ada di sebelahnya ini adalah tentang Daniel Jacob, yang mana Daniel Jacob ini lahir di Fulham di London tanggal 23 Juli 1989. Nama pendeknya adalah dan dia hanya only child of Alan Radcliffe, ya, hanya anaknya dari Alan Radcliffe dan Marcia Gresham. Nah, di sini hanya menjelaskan bagian secara umum di bagian identifikasi tentang si Jacob Radcliffe ini. Nah, di bagian description ini menjelaskan seluruh bagian tentang si Daniel. Contohnya dia memiliki kulit yang putih, kemudian rambut yang coklat misalnya, dan yang lainnya. Nah, itu menjelaskan bagian dari karakteristik daripada orang tersebut. Tantri Palupi.
Ya, Pak. Ya, Pak.
Nah, bagian identifikasinya paragraf berapa?
Paragraf pertama.
Ya, terus description-nya paragraf
Kedua.
kemudian language feature. Nah, di sini ada 3 objek. Ini menjelaskan to explain about the object in specific. Jadi menjelaskan objek secara detail atau menjelaskan apa objek yang akan kita deskripsikan. And then adjective. Nah, adjective this is contohnya misalnya beautiful, handsome, tall, short, dan yang lainnya. Kemudian simple present yang digunakan adalah penggunaan to be, is, dan are yang selalu dipakai karena untuk mendeskripsikan di waktu yang sekarang. Oke, I will show you the example of after you read this text, you can answer this question, ya. Oke, this text still focus on about Raditya Dika. Silakan jawab pertanyaan yang ada di sini. Misal contoh Aldi Tobing jawab nomor 1 salah, kemudian dia harus menjawab nomor 2. Jika dia betul menjawab nomor 2, dia boleh melempar ke siapa atau menunjuk ke siapa untuk jawab nomor 3 dan sampai selesai. Oke, ya. What is the text about?
Sir, Raditya Dika, sir.
Okay, thank you, Palupi. You can choose your friend to answer the number 2.
Anis Syahrul, sir. Okay, sir. To describe about Raditya Dika, sir.
Okay, thank you, Anisarul. Nah, this is vocabulary that always to use to describe about the person. Misalnya dari wajah, ada square, kemudian ada misalnya dari tubuh, ada slim, langsing, yang lainnya. Ini adalah kosakata yang selalu dipakai untuk mendeskripsikan seseorang. Okay, do you understand about this material?
Yes, sir.
Oke, kalau sudah paham, ada yang ingin ditanyakan atau yang tidak dimengerti, silakan ditanyakan.
No.
Nah, it's time to practice. Now let's test your understanding about the descriptive text by LKPD. I will give you 30 minutes to doing this activity, ya. Oke, nah dari materi yang sudah saya sampaikan, ada yang ingin menyimpulkan? Silakan.
Dari materi hari ini, saya dapat menyimpulkan atau saya dapat mendeskripsikan karakter seseorang yang ada di sekitar saya, Pak.
Oke, thank you Tantri Palupi. Dari yang saya jelaskan tadi, pada bagian manakah yang menurut kalian menyenangkan untuk dipelajari?
Bagian menebak gambar, sir.
And then the others, ini Sahrul.
Soal, sir.
Oke.
Pertanyaan lalu dilempar.
Persoal, good. Thank you. If you doesn't have some question, I think enough for this meeting. Thank you so much for your time. And before we close this meeting, it will be better. Let's pray together. Aldi Tobing.
Before we close our meeting, let's try together. Try begin. Try finish.
Thank you, Aldi Tobing. Yeah. Good morning and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi